walk around the ancient city of Mamallapuram and discover its myth and majesty. This trail takes you back 1,300 years to a time when the Pallava dynasty ruled these parts. What was life like back then? Who were the big gods and how did they change over time? Uncover the mysteries of the men who built Mamallapuram and hear about the rise and fall of great kingdoms. Step back in time as we weave tales of powerful sages and cursed kings, of gods and demons, and stories of the end of the world.